Welcome home to 106 Turkey Creek Road in Leicester. Listed by Byron Greiner of Dwell Realty Group. This spacious 3-level home sits on 4 fully fenced and gated acres. One of the exceptional features that sets this home apart is the 20 by 40 in-ground pool, with perimeter open concrete patio and vinyl security fencing. There's also a gazebo, a diving board, and a pool slide. As you enter the home, you'll notice the new red oak hardwood floors, new light fixtures, new quartz solid surface kitchen countertops, and new kitchen appliances. There are new doors throughout the home. New low-E insulated windows are throughout. The new HVAC dual fuel train heat pump, zoned for all 3 levels with central air conditioning, was installed in 2010 and has a remaining 10 years of warranty still in place. There are so many new renovations done to this home, and they were mostly done between 2010 and 2012. Upstairs you will find 2 bedrooms, a large bathroom that's been renovated, and a master ensuite. Off at the lower level family room, you'll discover a fully sealed, climate-controlled crawl space, great for added storage. There's room on the lower level to make an in-law suite with potential separate entrance. Enjoy beautiful mountain views and have extra space away from neighbors. Nestled on 4 expansive acres with numerous outbuildings, including a large barn with overhead door and a basement walkout, the possibilities and uses are endless. Come on home to 106 Turkey Creek Road. For more information on this lovely home, contact Byron Greiner, 828-210-3898.